All right, guys, another storage unit. This one, I have one for $160. So with fees, taxes, it's a little over $200. So not much in here, a couple boxes. Looks like 3 boxes, 2 bags. But you can see the reason I bid on this was because of this pair of shoes. Well, box, Nike box. I don't know if there's a pair of shoes in there or not, but usually, like, if the unit is pretty clean and if I see something that stands out, like a Jordan box or something, I'll usually take a chance and bid on it. So let's see. Looks like there's stuff in here. Well, let me get my glove on the wrong. It looks like no shoes. It's like documents and glasses. Some other stuff. What is this? Money? What kind of money this is? Oh, it's got some money. Looks like documents. So, no shoes. Okay, let's see. I'll start going through. Hopefully there's some good stuff. Some clothing. Looks like some clothing. TNA. Okay. That's a good sign. And here, looks like some toys. Brand new. Some more clothing. Kid stuff. Care Bear. Brand new. I don't know if through these. So far, it's a lot of clothing. Found some Lululemon pants. These are nice. These might go for some money. Lemons. And it's like Calvin Klein, Guess. So it's decent brands. Like this stuff I can definitely resell. So it's good clothing. And then I found these Pumas. These look brand new. You know. I don't know how much those would be. Maybe $50. And then I found this, like cologne. This looks like, you know, it's quality. I looked inside, it's in there. So this might be worth some money. I have to look it up. But this could be a good amount of money right here. So it's the first box. This is not bad. This is pretty good. It's kind of what I thought. Like bidding on this unit, it's kind of what I thought it would be. That'd be, you know, pretty good stuff. So I'm gonna pull up the other box, go through it, and show you guys. Guys, check this out. All this stuff is brand new. Brand new. It's brand new as well. I don't know what I can get for that. And there's like all these toys. I think these would just be cheap. Brand new though. I don't know how much these would sell for. If it's like just cheap Walmart stuff. Got a knife. There's the Hot Wheels. What is this? I'm not sure. It's a Hot Wheels Cadillac. Oh, pretty nice. Barbie? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if that would be worth anything. There's more clothing in here. Phillips, what is this, like some shave or something? This just looks like more clothing, maybe kids' clothing. I'll have to go through, but this looks like it's all in good condition. Looks like brand new stuff. More clothes. LED light bar. Looks like mostly clothing. I'm gonna have to go through. Maybe it's like kid stuff. But it looks like it's in good condition. Which is good. There's another. I don't know what this stuff is. More clothing. It's a jacket. Reebok. I'm gonna go through this stuff. And you guys know, guys, I found some Burberry shades. I think these will be like maybe $100 if they're real. Check it out. I found some Romanian money. This two 10s and a 1. So I'm not really sure what this converts to in Canadian, but yo, that's the first time I found money in a unit. And some Burberrys. So still got more stuff to go through as well. And so far this unit's been good. You know, all this stuff here, this is all like brand new stuff, good brands, Hugo Boss, Lululemon. So I got a few more to go through. Box and 2 more bags. So I'm going through this box here. I'm finding tons of these like Barbie sets. There's like 5 or 6 of them brand new. Another pair of Lululemon pants. You know, these are nice, like pretty much brand new condition. And then I found these Nikes. So these are probably belong to that box, and these are good condition. I can definitely resell these maybe for $80 to $100. I'm not sure what model these are, but yo, Jordan 1s for sure. And yeah, more clothing and stuff like that in this box. I'll go through, let's see if there's anything else that's good. And then I got 2 more bags to go through here. So yeah, this locker's been really good. So okay guys, this is the first bag I went through. Yo, there's probably like 8 pairs of Lululemon pants. This one's brand new. This is Zanrobi, but these are all Lululemon. There's an Adidas. It's another pair of Lululemon. There's a couple winter jackets. I think these were Nike. And there's 3 winter jackets. One of them was a North Face, all in good condition, like brand new condition. So, you know, another really good bag of stuff. I'm gonna go through the last bag, but this was a really good locker so far. Okay, so this is the final bag of clothing I went through. There's a couple of shoes, but I don't know, not really that great. But some polo hoodies here, and this one there's still some good stuff. Not as good as the last bag, but Calvin Klein. There's another Hugo Boss Miami Dolphins hoodie, and then some more shirts, Adidas, but not as good. And there's I went to jacket here. Let's see if I can get this up. I don't know what brand this is. I have to look this up, but it looks pretty nice. Pull and Bear. I'm not sure if it's worth anything, but yeah. So that's pretty much this locker. Really good locker. Really good stuff. Paid only $200. I mean, a couple items I get my $200 back. So there's at least, I would say, $1,000, $1,500 here. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot in the storage places. But yeah, this was another really good unit. You know, really good condition stuff or brand new. So I got lucky again, I guess. But yeah, you have to figure out where I'm gonna put all this stuff. My storage unit is filling up with stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll let you know if I find anything else in here. All right, peace.